Picture this, a stretch of soft sandy coastline on the southeast side of Djerba Island, palm trees swaying in the warm Tunisian breeze, and an all-inclusive resort that has been quietly perfecting the art of the family holiday for decades. Club Med Djerba La Douce, tucked away in mid on this legendary Mediterranean island, has built itself a reputation as one of the go-to spots for travelers who want their sun, sea, and sangria without lifting a finger to organize any of it. With a TripAdvisor score sitting comfortably at 4.3 out of 5 across nearly 6,000 reviews, this four-star village clearly has a lot of fans, and today we are going to take a proper look at what actually makes it tick. From the rooms to the restaurants, the pools to the kids' clubs, we are covering everything a curious traveler needs to know before booking that flight. The resort itself has gone through a significant refresh, being repositioned by Club Med as a newly redesigned village with updated bungalows, a revamped Calypso area, and refreshed public spaces. It sits directly on the beach, and it is close enough to local attractions like Midtown Town and the Djerba Golf Club to feel connected without ever feeling crowded. Whether you are a solo traveler, a couple, or a family with a small tribe of children in tow, the village has options that suit pretty much every kind of guest. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let us dig into the details of what Club Med Djerba La Douce actually delivers. Accommodation at the resort splits into two main styles, and each one gives a slightly different flavor of the Djerba experience. The Calypso hotel rooms are the more modern hotel-style option, sitting inside the recently redesigned Calypso area of the village. These rooms sleep up to 3 people, come with air conditioning, a private bathroom with either a shower or a bathtub, hair dryer, television, safe, telephone, and in some categories a mini fridge for keeping drinks and snacks cool. Guests who have stayed in the Calypso section frequently describe the rooms as clean, modern-looking, and well air-conditioned, with good quality beds that make a hot day of sun and swimming end in comfortable sleep. One thing worth flagging is that some past reviewers mentioned there was no in-room Wi-Fi, so if constant connectivity is essential, that is something worth checking at booking. The alternative is the traditional Menzel bungalow accommodation, which is really where the local character of the resort comes through. These bungalows are dotted through the gardens and come in either seaside or garden-side categories, giving guests the choice between views of the Mediterranean or the lush tropical grounds. They also sleep up to 3 people and include air conditioning, a bathroom with shower, hair dryer, television, and safe. The bungalow style suits families and travelers who want something with a bit more architectural charm and privacy than a standard hotel room. While Club Med does not publish exact room sizes in square meters, the bungalows tend to feel spacious and airy, and the garden-side units offer a lovely sense of seclusion beneath the palms. When it comes to food, Club Med Djerba La Douce leans into the all-inclusive tradition with restaurants designed to feed lots of happy people without ever feeling like a cafeteria. The main dining venue is Le Calypso, an international buffet restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner throughout the day. The buffet blends familiar European favorites with Tunisian specialties, meaning you can start your morning with continental pastries and eggs, roll into a lunch featuring couscous and grilled meats, and finish the day with a Mediterranean-inspired dinner featuring fresh fish and local vegetables. The variety is what most guests praise since there is genuinely something for every taste and every dietary preference. Portions are generous, refills are unlimited, and the atmosphere tends to be lively without being chaotic. For a more relaxed dining experience closer to the sand, La Pergola is the beach restaurant that serves Mediterranean and grilled dishes at lunchtime, and on certain evenings during high season it opens for dinner by reservation. This is the spot where you kick off your sandals, sit under a shaded pergola, and enjoy fresh grilled fish, salads, and lighter Mediterranean fare while listening to the waves. The bar scene at Club Med Djerba is anchored by the beach bar and the main bar, both of which serve soft drinks, spirits, and cocktails as part of the all-inclusive package. Bartenders here are known for being generous with their pours, and the classic Club Med cocktail culture means you never have to worry about running a tab or fumbling for a card at the counter. It is, in short, exactly the kind of stress-free drink setup that a proper holiday demands. The pool and beach setup at Club Med Djerba La Douce is a genuine highlight, and it is one of the main reasons the resort keeps drawing families and repeat guests year after year. There are 3 swimming pools in total, including a main pool that acts as the social heart of the village and a quiet pool for those who prefer to read a book without a splashing toddler nearby. The main pool is spacious, and guests have consistently praised the sheer amount of room to swim, float, and just cool off. Loungers are plentiful around the pool areas, and the shaded spots are a lifesaver during the hotter afternoons. It is the kind of pool complex where you can wander from one to the next depending on your mood, and nobody minds if you park yourself in the same spot for the whole day. The real showstopper, though, is the beach itself. Club Med Djerba enjoys a direct beachfront location on the southeast coast of the island, meaning you can walk from your bungalow or hotel room straight onto the sand in flip-flops. The beach is wide, soft, and lined with plenty of loungers and shade options for guests who want to alternate between sun and shadow. For the more active crowd, the resort operates a sailing and windsurfing base, giving guests the chance to try water sports right from the shoreline. Whether it is a leisurely paddle, a proper windsurfing session, or just a long walk along the water at sunset, the beach delivers exactly what people picture when they imagine a Tunisian island holiday. It is one of those spots that really lives up to the postcard image. Beyond the water, the activity offering at Club Med Djerba La Douce is impressively varied, which is very much on brand for a Club Med village. The resort has tennis courts for guests who want to get a proper match in, and the sports program includes archery, beach volleyball, and beach football for those who prefer to spend their days moving around rather than lounging. There is a fitness room and gym on site for anyone keeping up with their training routine, and group fitness sessions are typically part of the daily schedule as well. The sailing and windsurfing base doubles as an activity hub where beginners can take lessons and more experienced sailors can just grab a boat and go. What makes the activity setup work so well is that everything is included, and the friendly staff, known throughout the Club Med world for their infectious enthusiasm, are always around to encourage guests to try something new. Evening entertainment is another cornerstone, with shows, live music, and themed nights that bring the village together after dinner. Guests often describe the energy as social without being pushy, meaning you can jump in and join a dance floor or slip off to your bungalow with no pressure either way. This mix of activity and freedom is a big part of why families and groups tend to book Club Med for multiple returns. Wellness at Club Med Djerba comes through the spa area, which offers massages and a range of treatments for guests looking to slow down and reset. After a morning of windsurfing, an afternoon massage in the spa can feel like an absolute reward, and the treatments are designed to blend traditional relaxation techniques with the sort of Mediterranean approach that suits the island setting. While the spa is not the largest you will find at a resort of this size, it hits the essentials nicely and delivers a proper pause from the busier social parts of the village. Guests looking to book treatments typically do so on-site, and the staff can advise on which options work best for particular needs. Beyond the spa, wellness at the resort naturally extends into the fitness room, the group activity sessions, and the open beach itself, which is honestly the best gym anyone could ask for. Morning yoga on the sand, long swims in the sea, and gentle beach walks give guests plenty of ways to keep their well-being in check without a formal detox program. The overall wellness vibe here is more relaxed than clinical, and that suits the character of the village. If you are looking for a hardcore wellness retreat with prescribed juices and rigid schedules, this may not be the exact match, but for restoring balance in a genuinely beautiful setting, it does the job. Families are one of the biggest audiences for Club Med Djerba La Douce, and the Kids Club program is a major reason why. Depending on the season, the resort operates a baby club, petty club, mini club, and juniors club, each catering to different age groups from toddlers up through teenagers. These programs run throughout the day and include supervised activities like arts, crafts, sports, games, and age-appropriate cultural experiences that let children learn a little about Djerba while having a blast. Parents can drop off their kids in the morning knowing they are in good hands and enjoy some grown-up time by the pool, on the beach, or at the spa. One family review even described the resort as a little jewel after spending 2 wonderful weeks there with 4 kids, which is about as glowing an endorsement as any family resort could hope for. Teens tend to get their own space and program too, with sports, games, and evening entertainment designed to keep older kids engaged without dragging them into activities meant for the younger crowd. The Juniors Club vibe means teenagers can hang out, make friends with other teens on holiday, and enjoy a level of independence that most family resorts simply do not offer. Everything from the sports base to the pools is designed with the whole family in mind, and the staff are famously good with children of all ages. If a stress-free family holiday is the goal, Club Med Djerba genuinely delivers. Stepping beyond the resort, Djerba Island offers plenty of reasons to explore, and Club Med Djerba La Douce is well positioned for guests who want to venture out. Just about 6 kilometers away is Midtown Town Center, where you can find local markets, cafes, and a genuine slice of Tunisian daily life. About 7 kilometers from the resort is the Djerba Golf Club, a proper destination for anyone who wants to squeeze in a few rounds during their beach holiday. Roughly 9 kilometers away is Djerba Explore Park, which combines a crocodile farm with a heritage village and gives visitors a fascinating look at both the wildlife and the traditional architecture of the region. City Mars Beach, another lovely stretch of coastline, is about 15 kilometers from the resort for guests who want to see more of the island's shore. For a bigger day out, Humt Souk, the main town of Djerba Island, sits about 20 kilometers away and is famous for its markets, port, and old town character. It is the kind of place where you can spend an entire day browsing stalls, sampling street food, and picking up souvenirs. Djerba Zarzis International Airport is roughly 28 kilometers from the resort, making transfers quick and painless for guests flying in and out. Between these landmarks, there is plenty of adventure available whenever the pull of the pool loses out to the pull of exploration. Looking at the resort as a whole, Club Med Djerba La Douce clearly earns its 4.3 out of 5 TripAdvisor score honestly. The strengths are obvious: a genuinely lovely beachfront, a strong all-inclusive experience, excellent kids programs, plenty of activities, and the classic Club Med atmosphere that turns strangers into holiday friends by the end of the week. The redesigned Calypso area brings a modern feel to the accommodations, and the food variety, entertainment, and staff friendliness get consistent praise from returning guests. It is a proper full-package holiday resort that consistently delivers on the promise of stress-free fun. There are some weaker points worth mentioning honestly. A minority of reviews reference dated rooms or maintenance issues in certain bungalow sections, hinting that the renovation has not touched every corner of the property yet. The lack of in-room Wi-Fi in some categories can frustrate guests who need to stay connected. And while 3 pools is generous, in peak season the village can feel busy simply because it is so popular with families. None of these are deal-breakers, but they are honest trade-offs that potential guests should factor in. What really makes Club Med Djerba La Douce stand out from other all-inclusive resorts is the combination of authentic Tunisian character with the well-oiled Club Med formula. The Menzel bungalows give the property a genuine sense of place that generic hotel-style resorts just cannot match, while the professional activity program, kids clubs, and dining variety ensure nothing feels lacking. The direct beachfront location on Djerba is another huge selling point, along with the sailing and windsurfing base that turns the sea into a proper playground. Add in the friendly Club Med staff and the social evening entertainment, and you have a package that is remarkably hard to replicate anywhere else on the island. For guests thinking about groups or small events, the resort has the kind of open communal spaces and organized activity infrastructure that lends itself well to hosting family reunions, milestone celebrations, or small gatherings that combine relaxation with structured fun. The village layout, with its multiple restaurants, bars, and lounges, gives groups plenty of options to spread out and enjoy their time together while still coming back for shared meals and evening shows. Ultimately, what guests remember from a stay at Club Med Djerba La Douce tends to be less about individual amenities and more about the overall feeling. It is the sunset walks along the beach, the impromptu poolside chats with new friends, the moment a kid's club counselor makes your child laugh so hard they forget to be homesick, or the perfectly mixed cocktail handed over with a genuine smile. It is the kind of place where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, and where a week can somehow feel like both a proper reset and a proper adventure. For a family holiday, a couple looking for hassle-free sun, or a solo traveler wanting to meet good people, Club Med Djerba La Douce continues to earn its reputation as one of the standout villages in the Club Med portfolio. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.